Hello and welcome to another video on my channel. Today we will be unboxing and demoing one really cool watch. It is from Tokyoflash Japan manufacturer, which makes really unique and unusual watches. All their watches are available online from their web. Just Google Tokyoflash Japan. The watch we are about to unbox and demo is called Keisan LED watch and it costs $200. The shipping fee is included. Unfortunately, the too much honest Japanese have a thing or two to learn from the Chinese. The watch was declared on real price, so I had to pay the customs fee of around 55 euros. As you can see, the watch is packed really well. There are no damages to the box. Bubble envelope, and inside a box, and another box inside. There are 4 versions of this watch: silver with yellow LED, silver with orange LED, black with green LED, and black with red LED. Keisan is made from polished aluminum with raised convex bubble lens, which displays the LED numbers. The watch displays the time only when you press the single button at the side. If you press the button again, it will display the date. But how do you tell what time it is? Very interesting design, which will also help you train your brain every time you look at the watch. Because in order to say the time, you'll have to do simple addition. As you can see, there are 4 convexes and each can display several numbers. First 2 convexes are the hours, the following 2 are the minutes. In order to calculate the time, you have to add all numbers vertically. Another interesting feature that you saw when I turned the watch on is that there is animation that is displayed once every minute for 12 minutes after the time is last displayed. The LEDs light up and move in sweeping formation from side to side. All in all, a really nice, good quality and unique watch. Okay, thanks for watching, and if you like my channel, please subscribe.